Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. A couple of weeks ago, I let you know that Microsoft may have announced the beginnings of our next annual feature update, Windows 11 25H2, because as mentioned in that video, which will be linked, Microsoft had confirmed that it would begin testing, as they say, and I'm quoting, new behind-the-scenes platform changes for Windows 11 with insiders in the dev channel via a new series of builds in the 26,200 range. Check the video out for more info. Now it seems that this may have been all confirmed once again, where Windows 11 25H2 is going to be related to build 26,200, and this is according to code that's been spotted by Xenopanther over on X, where bits of code of build 27842, which was a recent Canary channel build that rolled out. I did post on that. That'll also be linked if you would like to go check out what happened in the latest Canary flight. And if we have a look at that code, this is the code that was spotted, buried quite deep in the build in a DLL file. And here we can see it mentions GE 25H2. Okay, here's the build, 26,200, GE 25H2. And GE stands for germanium, and that's just a code name. And Microsoft moved Windows 11, as I may have mentioned on the channel previously, to germanium builds with the release of last year's annual feature update, version 24H2. And unlike version 23H2, which rolled out at the tail end of 2023, 24H2 was a big full system update, whereas 23H2 was a small enablement package that basically turned on new features while still being based on Windows 11 version 22H2. And that's why with 23H2, we got a lot of the moment updates. I think 5 moment updates rolled out. And with 24H2, we haven't had one moment update. Now, it looks like 25H2 is also going to be rolling out in the second half of this year, 2025, as an enablement package. So basically, it's just going to be a small upgrade in the build number 26,200, where currently in the stable version of 24H2, the build is sitting on 26,100. Now, personally, I don't think this is a bad thing if it's a small update using an enablement package, because 24H2 currently is not doing too well. I have driver issues because I force upgraded this device for this channel, obviously to make videos for you guys, and I'm constantly having crashes and blue screens. And from day to day it can fluctuate. Some days are worse, some days not that bad. But nonetheless, I've posted numerous videos on 24H2 known issues. There's a playlist on the homepage of this channel. You can check it out. And I think that's not a bad thing, where hopefully 25H2 will be a less problematic update and version upgrade. And I think a lot of you would agree with me. So I think the less Microsoft tampers with the current setup, trying to bring a whole bunch of new features, I think that's better. Rather stabilize what we have and try and get that, solid. And then we can bring the eye candy, as I always say on the channel. But at the end of the day, of course, we just got to mention that officially Microsoft hasn't confirmed 25H2. They've made references and hints towards a possible 25H2, but there's been no official announcement. So obviously they've yet to officially announce version 25H2, but once again, I think it's a given. I think it will roll out. Things are all starting to point towards that now. And obviously, as I get the info, I'll keep you in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.